Hey guys, I'm Stephanie. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you what I've been doing for the last week and a half during quarantine. My sister and I, and sometimes my mom, have been working on this flower wall right behind me. We used an 8x4 styrofoam sheet that we got from Lowe's. I had some flowers, some silk flowers in storage, but then we also ended up buying some more from like Joann's and from the dollar store. And then we ended up buying a lot of moss that we just kind of glued over on the wall. So that was probably the thing that took the longest time, was gluing that moss on. In retrospect, I would probably not use moss again. I'd probably use like sheet grass, like fake grass, or maybe sheet moss, where I wouldn't have to like glue every single little thing. But just if you're looking to do a flower wall, or if you're looking for reasons not to do a flower wall, keep watching. Alright, so here we started laying down the moss. I use hot glue gun for this. You cannot imagine the amount of burns that I have on my finger because of that. But we needed to move faster because we only had one glue gun, and so we decided to use Elmer's glue. Alright, so we've laid down some moss and we've let it dry as much as we could. But we obviously ran out of moss. But we're gonna start covering here with some flowers. I've got some vines that I'm cutting the flowers off of. So we'll be back to show you. So we were able to get more moss. It took us about 3 or 4 bags. I can't remember exactly. 4 bags, because the first one it was just one, and then we went back to the store and bought 3 more bags. But we were able to cover the whole sheet of foam in moss, and now here we're gluing loose leaves and the flowers as well. So here's the final product. I personally think it looks great, and it's going to be such a great backdrop just for pictures and whatnot. Alright, so you guys have seen all the work that it takes to make this flower wall, but you can also see the results of this super cute backdrop. We'll probably be using this for a lot of selfies and a lot of, even in upcoming parties, once we're out of quarantine, of course. We'll probably be using this a lot, so my Instagram feed is going to be full of selfies. Well, I hope you guys liked the video, and I hope you guys are staying safe out there. Bye!